Want to learn how to get these gorgeous iridescent mermaid unicorn nails at home? Stick around and I'll show you two different finishes. Jumbo. So dumb. That was a Mean Girls reference, and if you didn't get it, you can't sit with me. Just kidding. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to get this super cute, iridescent, chromed out unicorn look. The secret ingredient is this neon Aurora powder that I found online. I will include links down below on absolutely everything that you need. So we're going to be using some professional products. I figured out a way to get two different finishes. We've got this gorgeous chrome finish and then this gorgeous pearl finish. Now be forewarned, again, these products are professional grade, and so you're going to have to make a couple of Amazon orders. These are not products that you can just run out to CVS and get all in one impulsive evening. Sorry, ladies. I usually go for an accent nail, but girl, be extra. Do them all. You're going to love this. Supplies. An Emory board. Some alcohol, preferably 70%. Spain isn't plain, and that was 96%. Don't do a cotton round. They leave little fuzzies everywhere. If you can get a hold of some kind of lint-free material, do that. So don't be like me. You're going to need a base coat. This is OPI gel polish. It's my favorite brand. This is, again, OPI, and this is going to be our base color. So I'm going to do a white base, but you can do any color you want. This is what's going to get you the chrome finish. I'll explain later. That's a no wipe top coat. Our beautiful neon Aurora powder. It's not my favorite to do it with an eyeshadow brush. You'll see why. And then this is my favorite tool. It's a little silicone tip buffer thing that I got online again. And then a regular top coat. This is what you'll use to get the pearly finish, but also you'll put it over everything to just seal it all in. And then a lamp. You're not using regular polish. It will not air dry. You need to cure it under UV light. This is an LED lamp. It is by Melody Sweet. I got it on Amazon. It is so much quicker than using a fluorescent bulb lamp. So, step one, you're going to shape your nail and then buff the top and then wipe some alcohol on your bare nail. The alcohol is going to absorb any natural oils that you have on your nail, allowing the polish to adhere to your nail better. And see, don't do cotton rounds. You're going to have to wipe little fuzzies off of your nails. And now we paint on the base coat. I like to cure for 60 seconds, though 30 seconds will also fully cure the polish. In my experience, 60 seconds just gives me longer lasting results, but try 30 and see if it works for you. I'm going to go ahead and speed up this process so you don't have to sit here and watch the tedious painting and curing step by step in real time. Gel polish is so forgiving. If you make a mistake, if you don't like how your application turned out, you can always wipe it off and start over. Or you can even let it just sit for a second and watch it just smooth itself out. This stuff is so cool, and you're not going to go back to regular polish after this. Now that our base coat has cured, we're going to go ahead and paint the first layer of color. Make sure you always shake well. I don't think I did this on camera for the base coat. It's fine. And yes, I bit the shit out of the top of this polished bottle in order to get it open. It's fine. Don't judge me. This is Alpine Snow by OPI Gel Color. It is my favorite white. And again, OPI Gel Color is where it's at, girl. Trust me. Pay a little bit extra. It's bomb. And cure for 60 seconds. Now we're going to go ahead and put down the second coat of base color and cure for another 60 seconds. And now we're going to go ahead and paint on the no wipe top coat. This will not leave a tacky finish once it cures. And for some reason, I don't know why, it performs differently than the regular top coat that does leave a tacky finish. The no wipe gets you a chrome finish and the regular gets you a pearly finish. It's just the way that the powder adheres to it. Don't ask me for the science, just take my word for it. We're gonna go ahead and cure this for another 60 seconds. And I'm realizing how tedious this all seems, but it's because we're doing one nail at a time for demonstration purposes. You're going to be doing this one hand at a time. And now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the moment we've all been waiting for, we're going to apply the Neon Aurora powder. I'm going to apply the smallest amount of powder onto the silicone tip tool and then buff it onto the nail. Now remember when I said that I preferred the silicone tool over the eyeshadow sponge that the powder comes with? It applies just fine with the sponge. But then that happens. Just get yourself the tool. And you're just going to do this until you're happy with the coverage. It'll be pretty even. As you go in, you're going to see the pressure that you need to use. And you're going to love it. Look how pretty that is. Now that you have buffed the first layer of powder to your liking, you're going to apply another layer of the No Wipe top coat and cure for 60 seconds. And see, this No Wipe top coat doesn't leave a tacky finish. It's totally smooth to the touch. We're going to go ahead and buff some more of that gorgeous Neon Aurora powder onto our nails. And then we're going to apply a coat of the regular top coat, the tacky kind, the OPI one, and cook for 60 seconds. And now your nails are officially cured. You'll feel a tacky residue sitting on the top of the nail that you didn't feel with the No Wipe top coat. It's kind of tacky to the touch. So the way that we're going to get rid of this is we are going to wipe it off with a cotton round. At this point, it doesn't matter if it has lint or not. And so we'll just put some alcohol on the cotton round and wipe it off. And girl, you are good to go. Yes, honey. Look at that gorgeous nail. So we're good now on the chrome finish. If you want to see how you get this beautiful pearly finish, keep on watching. Now let's say that we put on our base coat, our 2 layers of white, and now it's time to apply the Neon Aurora powder. Now instead of applying it directly onto the No Wipe top coat, we're going to completely skip this product altogether, and instead we're going to apply a layer of the regular top coat. And so it's not going to have that smooth surface to buff itself onto and leave that really shiny, smooth, chromy finish. It's going to kind of just stay a little bit more grainy and give you this beautiful pearl finish. And because I knew you were going to ask me, Shakti, isn't this top coat technically the same thing as the No Wipe top coat if you just wipe it? No, it's not. So what I did with my index finger is I wiped off half of it and then applied the powder to the whole nail, and I still got the pearl finish on the whole nails. So it's just a different product. I don't know what to tell you, girl. If you want the pearl finish, you apply it to the tacky coat. If you want the chrome finish, you apply it to the No Wipe top coat. Once you've applied the powder onto the regular top coat, whether you wiped it off or not, I noticed more fallout when I did wipe it off, so if you don't want to waste as much powder, just leave the tackiness on. Then you seal it all in with a layer of top coat, cure that, and you can be done. Or if you want to do a second coat of top coat, powder, top coat, then you do that. And then once you're all finished curing and wiping, you are left with the most gorgeous, pearly, iridescent, unicorn, mermaid nails you have ever seen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this turns out gorgeous for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Un besito. Ciao.